inyo, guys. Sa Team Angels, Team Amazing, Merry Christmas sa inyo. God bless. No, she can't. That's only 2 pounds. Move that. You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay. Oo. Ang pampahaba ng buhay daw is walang stress. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, happy lang. Huwag ma-stress, guys. Diba, Aiza? 1, 2, 3, go! Huwag ma-stress. Pampahaba ng buhay. Jelana, go there now. Oo. No, we're not doing that. Are you done now? Yeah. Ayan, basta continuous na magtrabaho si Jelana, mayroon tayong trabaho. Buti na lang masipag magtrabaho si Jelana, oy. Be careful. Do this. Come on. I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay, don't stay there, don't move. Okay, be careful on that one. Be careful. Did you hurt yourself? I didn't get it. Do it again. Say. Okay, so while you're doing that, can I clean this one? Ayan, guys. Paano ba to? I'm just gonna do this one. While Jelana is doing that, be careful. I'm going to fix your stuff, and then after that, I clean this one. We can go inside. Ayan, daming laruan, guys. Every day, laro siya. Lalo na ngayon, vacation ng mga bata. So, it's vacation time. Are you jumping? Don't jump, okay? Be careful. Oh, Jelana. Ayan, naka-ano tayo ngayon? Naka 1,000 na dikit. Sana all, 1,000 sa isang live. No? Did you hurt yourself? Let me see. Don't hurt yourself. It's itchy. Go get the wipe and wipe your hand. Ayan, guys. So, we're trying to clean this up. So, Jelana can play again. Where are you? Okay. Don't do that one. It's just...